Like new 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom Trevi floor plan home with preserved views. With 2,032 square feet, this immaculate home features tile floors throughout and crown molding in foyer, kitchen, dining area, great room, master bedroom and master bath. Island kitchen includes crown molding, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar and pantry. Great room includes sliding glass doors to extended Paver lanai overlooking preserve. Spacious master suite with walk-in closet, master bath with granite counters, dual sinks, soaking tub and separate shower. Both guest bathrooms include granite countertops and combo tub/shower. Paver driveway, walkway and tile roof. Located off a cul-de-sac in reflection aisles, this gate community features clubhouse with fitness center, resort-style pooled playground, basketball and tennis. Nice community with no CDD and convenient to shopping, dining, Highway I-75 and RSW featuring Myers Airport.